Pendiami ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lagasmi.
Last tumor, I think Sir Ganpati would know, and that is a tumor in the brain with involvement of the spinal cord. So when he came to us, he could not even move his neck also. He was totally paralyzed. He could not even shift sides and all. So we stabilized him and we did craniospinal irradiation with our Cobalt 60 machine. So if there is a will, there is a way. People say that you need linear accelerator, you need high-end machines. But we treated him with our Cobalt 60 machine, Teratron, for craniospinal irradiation. And today, it's been 1 year, more than 1.5 years, almost 2 years, that he can walk around, he's playing, he's going to school. So here he is, our youngest survivor, and he has shown us that
kyrmen, bangin jingpang berkat shuh, bangin dengan ya kan bangin sarang kat pada kunjungi, hendai dah kacing kyrmen mentah lembah kacing ya jungi shuhmat, ya kapan tak sumar, buatlah hal nengkong ledan pada kacing ting kacing seirma, mentah sumar, hendai kacing sitom kebajur nimban sen ya shuhmat, hendai mentah niyo kacing kyrmen, apa dia kacing jauh ummat kacing pai kami sim kedonor ukun. Mentang hidup tak kacing kman di bakrau keban ngamdan telit ngamlak dan batai shuh ya tata kacing pha kacing sekun kacing Malaysia balabu ya kita ki doktor ni di banang pastad unjuk rai kinas staff bara datang kumtai aku belai bara ya kini dia mengidai bentuk syukran ada dan mana ki bapang ki basuka mimbe penting mimbe basir mimbe banyak ya kacing semar boleh sebut